Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the SmartDevil iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a HD clear film, easy installation, dust-free and bubble-free screen protector. So this is the 3-pack screen protector with automatic position. Multi-layer enhanced protection, no interfere with the phone case. By the way, they have for other iPhone models that you could check it out within the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give a shout out to Hori from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. SmartDevil Quick Installation Screen Protector. So this one offers a 28-degree anti-spy. Products made in China. Wow, so as you can see, when I tilt it in an angle, if you tilt in like a 28 degree, it will become black. So that's why it's an anti-spy for your privacy. So there's one installed on here already. And these are the film installation toolkit. So they have a clean wipe, dry wipe for screen cleaning, and then dusting sticker to get the lint out. So yeah, you need to clean your screen with the wet and then dry. And after that, you're gonna use the dusting sticker to remove the whatever the lint that's on the display. And you're gonna put this over here, over your phone. And all you need to do is just see it says instruction, cover your phone. Step 2, pull down the exhaust and wait 10 seconds, which is this one right here, okay? And then I get the sealant or the adhesive just gonna sit on top of your screen, and all you do is just press it down firmly to squeeze out all the bubble and stuff like that, okay? Oh, there's a microfiber cleaning cloth right here. Shows 02. And then alcohol wipe 01. So we got 1, 2, and then 3. Alright, so we're gonna get ready for installation. And I'm gonna use a sticker. If there's any lint, use this to get it out. Gonna put the top. Gonna put this down. Gonna wait like 10 seconds. And if you see any bubble, try to squeeze it out, or just press it down. And when you tilt it, become black. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the water test. And then a scratch test. No scratches at all. And I'm going to show you guys on how to install the second screen protector. And that's it. It's ready for second installation. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.